Welcome to Performance TV. One of my favorite things to do around here is fit classics with new technology, like this 1969 C10. It came with an AM/FM stereo. Not good enough anymore. We need Bluetooth and MP3. And my great friend Kathy Fisher is going to tell you more about it.
Well, Joe, what's really cool about this radio from Custom Autosound is that it's going to look absolutely stock. First of all, you're not going to have to worry about any cutting, bezels, anything like that. It's going to fit right inside, and man, is it going to look stock. It's the Slidebar radio from Custom Autosound. What do they mean by that? Well, see how it looks like an AM radio right now? Now you're going to have all of your digital. You're going to have everything that you need to see, 7 different colors to customize to make it look cool with your ride. Even some blue like for our 69 truck that we have back here. And everything is marked. So all of your buttons are going to show you all the cool things that you can do. And you're going to be able to use your iPod. You're going to be able to hook it up if you still want to use a CD changer. Everything is marked right from the factory from Custom Autosound. You're going to have all of your buttons, everything that's going to come with it. All of your wires are labeled. Again, no cutting, but you're going to have some great sound. You're going to be able to hook up Bluetooth. This one does have that optional, so you're going to be able to tie your phone right into it. 300 watts of sound, all kinds of cool things you can do, and it's going to look really cool in your ride.
The thing that's cool about Custom Autosound is that they make everything super easy. Now this C10, a classic, but we need to update it. And so you check out the piece, it makes it just very easy because every plug is keyed, so you can't possibly get it wrong. What I like to do is get everything plugged in first, our speaker wires, and then the main plug, and you'll feel it clip right in there. We'll talk more about the speakers momentarily. Then the antenna goes in. The stock appearance is really what everybody likes. This one is the slider, and you're going to see that in a second. Send it back there, and it goes in very easily. Now, I feel a little opportunity to hold it right there, and then look at this. Now, Custom Autosound goes out of their way to make sure everything looks factory. When you see the knobs, you'll see that they have done everything in their power to make sure that nobody who sees this stereo thinks it's anything other than stock. Except once they fire it up, then you suddenly will notice that you have Bluetooth potentially, you have an opportunity to hear your MP3s off a USB drive. I like the hands-free speaking on the road because that's a safety feature. And most importantly, you have got something that gets you the tunes you want. Now, a lot of times we talk about the stereo and not about the speakers. On this particular edition, we're going to delve into that, and I'm very excited about it. Now, check this out. This is the functionality. These knobs are how you're going to change stations and bands and otherwise. So while we do this, we're going to kick it over to Kathy, and she's going to tell us all about the speaker system that is going to go into our C10.
Okay, so now we have the cool radio from Custom Autosound, but you gotta have great speakers to run all that power through, and they offer everything. Just like for the 67 through 72 truck, you got your side kicks. Already come with the speakers, they're gonna slide right in. You may have to do a little bit of modification if you have the vents or whatever here in the bottom. 100-watt speakers. Everything is already going to be included for you with the wire all set up. But what about some bass to go along with that? Custom Autosound has got that covered as well. And you're not going to have to worry about some big box or anything like that. Slide right underneath your seat. They have that for you with these aluminum Undercover II 8-inch subwoofers. Now you're going to be able to go up to about 250 watts. You not only have your subwoofer, but on each end of the Undercover II, you've got tweeters. So you're going to be able to have everything covered, all 3, the mid, the high, and the bass, and everything assembled right here in the USA. And man, is this going to sound great.
Well, we finished our install and it looks absolutely beautiful. You can see the knobs, everything looked factory, and this is the best part, the slider. Boom, you reveal the Custom Autosound logo. You can change the colors, you can listen to a USB, you can do MP3, you can do hands-free driving. It is modern technology in your classic. What more could you want? Music from 2019 and a 1969. It is absolutely beautiful. We'll be back with more Performance TV after this.